We'll see with the fourth type of problem in unit step function. If you see, the given function is a discontinuous function and is been divided into 3 intervals. So whenever such function is given, here I will try to express this discontinuous function in terms of unit step function by the result stated earlier. So what was the result stated is f of t is equals to f1 of t plus f2 of t minus f1 of t into u of t minus a plus f3 of t minus f2 of t into u of t minus b. Comparing, we are having f1 of t as cos t, f2 of t as cos 2t, f3 of t is equals to cos 3t. A is pi and b is 2 pi. Hence, my intention is to find the Laplace transform of the function. So take L on both sides. So Laplace transform of f of t is equals to Laplace transform of cos t plus Laplace transform of this whole function plus Laplace transform of this whole function. Here plus sign is there, so L operator is been distributed, and this u of t minus pi is only for this bracket, u of t minus 2 pi is for only for this bracket. So I have combined the terms in such manner. Now already we know Laplace transform of cos t, directly we can find, but for these two functions, that is Laplace transform of cos 2t minus cos t into u of t minus pi and cos 3t minus cos 2t into u of t minus 2 pi, we cannot take directly. So we need to solve it separately, these two quantities. So I will consider now Laplace transform of cos 2t minus cos t into u of t minus pi. I will try to compare this with the second property of unit step function. Why I am comparing this? Because the function has been multiplied by a unit step function. In such case, I will be taking the second property, okay, such that comparing I will get f of t minus a as cos 2t minus cos t, and a is pi. Hence, where all a is a substitute pi, so this will become f of t minus pi is equals to cos 2t minus cos t. I want f of t, so replace t by t plus pi. So where all t is there as t plus pi. This 2 gets multiplied inside the bracket, so 2t plus 2 pi minus cos of t plus pi. This pi and this pi will get cancelled, so f of t. Hence, instead of writing a plus b, I will write as b plus a. So this becomes cos of 2 pi plus 2t minus cos of pi plus t. 2 pi means how much? 360. 360 plus 2t. 360 we can be written as 4 into 90, and which 4 is a even number, so cos will remain cos. So cos 2t. Similarly, pi means 180, and 180 can be written as 2 into 90. 2 is a even number, so cos will change, remains the same, so cos t will remain. Now, as per the ASTC rule here, if you observe, this 4 into 90 plus 2t, where it lies? So this is 1 into 90, 2 into 90, 3 into 90, 4 into 90. Plus theta means lies in the first quadrant, in which all the ratios are positive. So cos will be plus, so cos 2t. 2 into 90 plus t, 2 into 90 plus t lies in the third quadrant, in which cos is negative. So that minus and this minus will make it plus. So this will get f of t. Now take Laplace on both sides such that you will get what? F of s. So Laplace transform of f of t is equals to Laplace transform of this quantity. Plus sign is there, so separately take Laplace. So hence your Laplace f of s is s upon s square plus 4 plus s upon s square plus 1. Finally, Laplace transform of cos 2t minus cos t into u of t minus pi is equals to e raised to minus pi s, that is e raised to minus as into f of s. This is your f of s. Mark this as equation number B. Next, to solve Laplace transform of cos 3t minus cos 2t into u of t minus 2 pi. Again the function has been multiplied with the unit step function. So I will make use of which property? Second property of unit step function. So comparing, what is f of t minus a? It is cos 3t minus cos 2t. What is your a? It is 2 pi. Just replace a by 2 pi. So I want f of t. So replace a t by how much? T plus 2 pi. Why? Because here it is t minus 2 pi. So try to replace the function with t plus 2 pi. So this becomes how much? Here f of t plus 2 pi minus 2 pi, cos of 3 as it is, t plus 2 pi minus cos of 2 as it is, t plus 2 pi. Now multiply this 3 inside and 2 inside. This 2 pi and 2 pi will get cancelled. I'll get f of t. 3t plus 6 pi minus 2t plus 4 pi. A plus b, instead of writing, I am writing it as b plus a. A plus b, I'll write it as b plus a. Pi means how much it is? 180. Means 2 into 90. 2 into 90 into 6, it will become 12 into 90 plus 3t. Pi means it is 180, that is 2 into 90. And 2 into 4, it will become 8 into 90 plus 2t. Now here 12 is a even number, so cos will remain cos 3t. 8 is a even number, so cos will remain cos 2t. So 12 into 90 plus theta. As you see from the ASTC rule, here it will become 1 into 90, 2 into 90, 3 into 90, 4 into 90. Likewise, here it comes 8 and 12. So 12 into 90 plus theta lies in the first quadrant, and in the first quadrant all the ratios are positive. So it will become plus cos 3t. 8 into 90, again it comes here, plus theta lies in the first quadrant, so again it is positive. So remains here cos 3t minus cos 2t. Now take Laplace on both sides. So I'll get f of s. So Laplace and sum of f of t is equals to Laplace and sum of cos 3t minus cos 2t. Separately taking the Laplace, I will get f of s. Therefore, Laplace and sum of cos 3t minus cos 2t into u of t minus 2 pi is given by e raised to minus as. A is how much? 2 pi. So e raised to minus 2 pi s into f of s. Mark this as equation number C. So substituting A, B, C in equation 1, I will get my final solution for the given discontinuous function. This is a very important problem as per the exam point of view. Thank you.